Mitsubishi Electric has signed a $100 million contract with the Philippines to deliver 4 air defense radars to warn against approaching enemy aircraft and missiles. It is widely believed that FPS-5 is a fixed 3D active phased array air surveillance radar system designed to detect aircraft and missiles. The Japanese FPS-5 is a modern 3-dimensional active electronically scanned array ballistic missile tracking radar system providing advanced ballistic missile defense capabilities. This advanced radar sensor coupled with Patriot PAC-2 air defense system provides Japan advanced capability to timely detect, track and effectively destroy aircrafts, long-range ballistic and cruise missile systems.